Okay, I figured the first thing we'll go over is just demonstrating using this blues scale for this chord progression here. And just to point out, like the notes C sharp, G sharp, and G. It's like the 4, 4, and 3. What I'm doing is, or how came up with this scale, is those three notes, the C sharp, G sharp, and G. They're up here. Now you can't see my hand. Up here in this spot. So that's the C sharp. That is the G sharp, and then that's the G. So the 10 on the A, 11 on the A, 11 on the D. So those three notes right there are found in this blues scale, which is what's going on here in the chord progression. So I'm just going to have Guitar Pro loop these chords, and I'll just fiddle around for a moment just to show you and give you some ideas, show you how it could work. That's not looping. Whoops, get that back up. Alright, now we're set. Alright. No, I am not expecting you to play everything like that. I just wanted to give you some ideas. So yeah, I was all staying in that scale. So just have some fun with it, see what you come up with. Alright, so as far as what to do here, the reminder. Let me change the setting here. Okay. So your goal, you're going to stay in the key of C. Use the scale stuff for the little chart that has all the numbers and the colored system and all that. Use that for reference. And you're just going to finish the chord progression. So pick some different chords here you like the sound of to accompany or to complement, finish these two chords. So we'll have three variations. So you got the A5 to G5 at the beginning, and then you're going to have E5 to F5 for the next. So you have 3 variations there. And once again with A5 to F5. Let's just delete that. So here's the thing you can do. You want to get rid of an entire bar or bars. Just highlight what it is you want to get rid of. Hit Control plus Delete at the same time. And then it gets rid of that. And then it just changed the size there. So I hit Control, Alt, and the letter D to bring up all this stuff. And I'm just going to slide that over. And then I'm going to hit Control, Alt, and D once again to get rid of that. Now, the other thing we talked about yesterday was, changing like how many bars there are per line. So let me just mess this all up here. All right, so instead of hitting the plus and minus and all that stuff, let's say you just want 4 bars per line. Come up here to the top, first bar, right click, just anywhere in that first bar, come down to where it says bar, and then down to system layout. Oh, it's not showing it. I just noticed it's not showing it. Why would it not show it? Hang on. Alright, it should show it now. Alright, we'll go with this. So yeah, right click in the first bar, and that brings this menu up. Just move the mouse over where it says bar. You don't need to click it. It'll open up on its own. And then come over here to system layout at the bottom. Click that. And now, click where it says fixed bar count per system. And then just change it to whatever number of bars you want per line. So we're going to go with 4. And yeah, start at current system. So that's why we clicked, we right clicked in that first bar. And then hit OK. Look at that. It does it all for you. So, hopefully that helps. Any questions with what we discussed yesterday or was shown here, let me know. And I will see you again next week.